Meghalaya Governor Pagu Chauhan, while delivering his governor's address, highlighted the government's programs and policies in different fields. He said that the interventions in sectors of healthcare, education, livelihood generations, social security, green and citizen-centric governance will ensure holistic welfare of every citizen. Enumerating some of the policies and programs of the state government, the governor said, peace and security is paramount for any developmental activity. The governor informed that Meghalaya's GSDP for the current financial year is projected to be 47,381 crore rupees, which is 11% more than the previous year. The primary, secondary and the tertiary sectors registered a growth of above 10% in the current year, informing that the state is currently implementing multiple externally aided projects cumulatively worth about 7,500 crore rupees. He added that a total amount of 1,049 crore rupees was released to Meghalaya in the last financial year, and an amount of rupees 2,062 crores has been earmarked under the scheme in the current financial year for the state.
Power और वाटर सप्लाई, इन्वेस्टमेंट, प्रमोशन, IT, टूरिज्म और एग्रीकल्चर जैसे सेक्टर आवश्यक आर्थिक विकास को आगे बढ़ाएंगे, जबकि हेल्थ केयर, एजुकेशन, लाइवलीहुड जनरेशन, सामाजिक सुरक्षा, ग्रीन और सिटीजन सेंट्रिक गवर्नेंस जैसे सेक्टर में ठोस पहल से प्रत्येक नागरिक का समग्र सुनिश्चित करेगा।
The bust of